Hi guys, in this video I'm going to tell you everything which you need to know about frame lines or markers in Sony FX3 to determine your framing on Sony FX3. So let's just jump into that. First of all, you'll have to press on menu button to go to the menus. In menus, you go down till you see shooting, and in shooting settings, you have to go down till you see marker display. Once you click on this, you will see 5 options. First is going to be marker display, then center marker, aspect marker, safety zone, and guide frame. The first one is marker display. Basically, if you turn it off, even if you set up your aspect marker, you will not be able to see that. To see this in your Sony FX3 screen, you have to make sure that marker display is on, and then you set up your aspect marker. So you come here, you click on this, and then you say turn on. After that, you have center marker, which you can only turn on. You don't have an option to put a dot or a cross or bigger cross or smaller cross here. So you can just turn it on, and then you go out of that and you go on aspect marker. In aspect marker, you can turn it off here as well. So if we turn it off here or we turn it off in the marker display, what's the difference? The difference is basically, let's say you don't want any frame lines to be shown on the screen, but you want a center marker. So for that, you have to make sure that the marker display is on. And you can come here and you can turn off your aspect markers, like your frame lines or your markers. You come here, you can literally turn it off, or you can choose your frame line. Let's say you want to choose a 9:16 or 4:5 or 239 or 16:9 or 17:9 or 1.85:9. Any of these you can choose here, and you can frame according to your frame lines. After that, you have the safety zone. So the safety zone marker places a box on your screen that represents either 80 or 90% of your total image area. What it does is basically it acts like a boundary to ensure that its vital information like text, graphics, or subject's face is safe from being accidentally cropped out. And this was a feature which was historically used for older broadcast safe TVs that cut off the edges of an image. Filmmakers still use it today to make sure the captions, logos, or essential actions stay well away from the extreme edges of the screen where viewer attention drops, or user interface overlays like Instagram or TikTok buttons might block them. So you can come here, you can turn it off, or you can keep it on 80 or 90%. Under that, you have the guide frame, which adds grid overlay to your screen to assist with geometric alignment and balance. You can choose between a 3:3 grid rule of thirds, or a square grid, or a grid plus diagonal lines. What it does is basically it helps you line up vertical and horizontal elements perfectly. So this is pretty much it, what you need to know about the marker displays or guide frames or aspect markers or anything that you wanna do in Sony FX3. I hope you understood everything which I said. In case you have any more questions, put those in comments and I'll make sure I'll reply to those. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.